This is another little steam engine I've been working on recently. Came in a really bad state. I'm still not finished. It was a terrible state when I got it, and there was a lot of parts missing. I'm still trying to find the original water level meter or water level gauge, but I'll probably go end up making just a brass sort of a shield for the glass, just a brass one. I think that's all that was there originally, and these here are two taps without the handles missing. There was no pressure gauge, so I've put a modern pressure gauge on, but the last one I fitted wasn't working. So I've just fired this up. I'm just going to see if I can get any movement on this other pressure gauge, ordered two. I've had to get a weight off of another model, but it don't actually fit on the lever on the arm. So I've just fashioned that on there for now, just to get it running, just to hold it down while it's running. This never ran at all at the beginning. I even put it on air, and normally anything runs on air, and this wouldn't. But I've took it apart, I've cleaned it, and she goes now. She goes very well. Still needs, a bit more work, but I think there's too much you can do. I mean, I'm not going to polish it. This is more or less how it came out of the factory, just the same colour, but I did shine up the brass on the top a little bit, but I'm sure that was probably how it came out of the factory. But the colour of the border, that was how they come out of the factory. But yeah, so I've got it running now. We're just gonna. It's been fired up for a couple of minutes. I don't think it's going to be there yet, but we'll see in a minute. There's no. I've got to put a little bit of wood or something on there. Look, like this handle. I can use that. This one is red hot. So we'll see in a minute. I've got some long nose pliers what I'll use, so I don't burn myself. I do like this one. I like it. But I just want to see if I've only fired it up to see if I can get this any movement from this pressure gauge. It should move. Yeah, but it goes. I'm sort of pretty pleased with it. I think the water pump works. That needs a bit of paint. Needs painting up. Needs a bit more of a clean. There's a bit to do on it yet, but overall, I've just oiled it again. Actually, I just missed that. I missed them. Let's see if we can get anything out of it. We'll go in a minute. Slowly, there's not that much pressure at the moment. Yeah, nothing from that meter. You would have thought that would start to build. But we'll give it a go. Right, so yeah, a bit of condensation coming through now. Yeah, look. Once I go. Oh, only just literally, look at that. Go on, girl. Yeah. So to do this, it's not get that quite right. Beautiful. that's it. Yeah, there should be something on that pressure cage.
No, nothing. And that pipe is clear. I checked the pipe earlier. There is a mystery, I'll have to look into that again. But yeah, I mean there's pressure in there now because
It wouldn't be running otherwise. But I weren't going to do this video, but I do this like this machine. I think the water pump mechanism working really adds to the visual effect. I think it really looks good. And you can hear it actually sounds like a steam engine. Oh, got the weight off. Got to get a proper weight. The weight that goes on there is one of the round pieces of lead that has got a hole, like a sort of oblong hole going all the way through, and has a sort of a bolt. That's the sort that goes on here. That's off. There you go. Still got to play about with it. There you go. Yeah, nice. I like this machine. Look at that. Tomorrow I'm going to connect it up to the water pump and see if it actually does pump. I've got a feeling it does. All the levers work. I'll just put anyway, just a quick video. I thought you'd appreciate that because I like these machines and I think some of you probably do as well. Yeah, what a lovely machine. Anyway, cheers guys.